Yo, what's up, it's your boy Charlie Brown Filia, and right now we are here for the Samoa vs. I think it's Cook Islander game. We just made it in. The entrance was really long. We got the food trucks and stuff over there. She's famous, so follow her on TikTok. But other than that, we're just going to go look for our seats, look for Tara's friends, and yeah, we'll see how we go from there. So catch you guys in a bit. So we just got it. Samoa so close, scoring. And then there's all fans on this side. Got more over there, and you also got more over there. So it's got to be intense. This is actually a really nice spot to like watch everything. But other than that, I'm cold, and oh no, unlucky. So the score is right now Samoa 14, and oh no. Yeah, I think it's Samoa 14, Cook Islands 0. So let's go. Yep. So right now it's half time. So what's the score again?
20-0. I think.
Fraud.
Is it?
Fraud. It is. Don't listen. She's like, but yeah, we're just walking around.
He wasn't even watching the game.
Oh, I was too busy. Just shut up. So right now we're just walking around. We're gonna be looking for Tara's friends. And so yeah.
And the balloons.
She's gotta go steal a balloon. But so Tara just saw some friends. Must be nice. Must be nice knowing friends.
My friend Charlie's. Hi. And this is Mercy.
Mercy.
What did you say?
And then that's Mercy's friend over there.
I'm alive now.
Yeah, he's a dancer.
I think I've met you before.
I have no idea what's happening right now.
Guys, find other people.
We're gonna see more of her friends because she's more popular than I am.
No.
And that's okay.
We got invited.
And
We got invited to a TikTok event. So who's the famous one?
Not me. Definitely not me. But other than that,
Oh my gosh, is that
Yes.
cotton candy?
bro, she's a fat ass. This one's always hungry. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
What's there?
Oh yeah, that's like
Wait, where do you get the balloon?
like the clapping thing. Where's Charisma?
What? For this?
No more clappy things for you. So we just found Nico and we got Anna over here. So don't forget Park.
Found them.
So right now we're just chilling. It smells like weed here. People just smoking weed.
I wouldn't know. I didn't know because
Even though she was the one that spotted it. Not me, she did. Because she's a pothead.
hey.
Yeah, well we're just gonna probably walk around and see how everything goes. So yeah, let's see how we go. Yeah, this one's like hungry. And she says she can't get anything to eat. Unlucky.
You know, I'll just save for feed after when we win the game. Victory feed.
They're about to be doing the performance. So basically, Tara just left me. She left me on my own. So sad. But other than that, so far so good. Samoa's up 20-0, I think. But yeah, it's a good vibe, good turnout, and I'm just glad I had the opportunity to be here. So shout out to Tara, she's the real one here.
Oh, what's
Yep.
up, mate?
Yeah, so I got TH and then you're over here. Proud Samoans over here. So how do you think the game's gonna go? What do you think the final score is going to be?
So we missed the whole first part.
Yeah, mate.
Fraud. They're fraud Samoans. Nah,
I've got to get my multi. I've got to get a couple more try scores and I'm up, mate.
I reckon North Luma for another.
Yeah, not for back in. Jaden Saw for a try. Yeah, that's my multi done.
And if it doesn't happen, guys,
I
you
know
won't
you-
see him on YouTube ever again.
I'm walking home, man.
So right now I'm here with Alicia and Iggy. That's Iggy. Who's your favorite player from the Samoan crew?
Milky.
Is that the person that you want to be when you're older? Is that the person that you want to be when you're older? Respect. Let's go. So right now the score is currently 20-0, and well, so far so good. It's mine now, Iggy. You didn't see anything, Iggy. You didn't see anything. So right now, Samoa just scored their second try. We're going well. But it's crazy, man. The kick was great, but I think it's still good. Right now, the score is right now 30-10. They're getting it for the line. It'll be 30-12. But they got hard. The spirit is good. Nokalua just scored a kick by Schuster. So Milton's about to go kick it now. Everyone's dabbing out. It's just all chilling now. Taiwan just won the score is 42-12. And then you got a bunch of people just over there. But yeah, hold up. Everyone over here is like very proud. I see my friend over there. Alright, that's the famous Malua. Right, he's the model of the Western Sydney University. I wish I was cooler kid, but let's go, man. Take it, man. Later. So team knows Rowena, and Rowena just told this one, what absolute fraud? Doesn't even know. Doesn't even say hi. Fraud. Yep. So we're both cold, but we are heading over to Bay 7 to where Tara's friends are. Go Samoa. Samoa ended up winning. The score was 42-12. So it was a good turnout. And
What was the score?
42-12.
Wow, he was watching.
What? You didn't even know what the score was? What a fraud.
No, I was testing you because the last time
She didn't even watch. She didn't even watch it. She was too busy on the get foggy. Fraud. Oh yeah.
Going now too.
No. And then there's Moira over here. And then she's part of the PATH program, so she does everything to do with all the university students.
And Talanoa.
And Talanoa there, which is my cousin. So definitely check out the PATH group. I'll just see if I can put something over here.
Or Talanoa Sydney, Instagram.
And that one too. And then there's my captain over there. She's TikTok famous for her singing videos. But yeah.
just went for Anna.
Yeah, that's okay. I wish I was famous, TikTok famous like her, but I'm not. Say 5 man, goodbye. Yep, so right now we're just waiting for Tara's friends so we can all go back home on the train. It's just one of them that's missing, so they don't know where they are, so send help. Yep, so I guess it's going to be the end of my vlog. Thank you to Tara for letting me join with her to the game. Shout out to her, she's amazing. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to. Other than that, God bless, much love, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Catch you guys later. Bye. Peace.